There are very few phrases in the English language that can have a profound and immediate effect on a woman's ability to reach orgasm. And what I am about to share with you is one such magical phrase, perhaps the most magical phrase that you, as a man, can utter to a woman, specifically during oral sex, to help her to relax, let go, and come like you have never seen before. Before I share these with you, real quick, I'd like to ask you to like and subscribe and smash that bell so that you will get notified when I publish amazing videos such as this. All right, without further ado, what are these three magical words? They are take your time. Why are these words so powerful to utter to a woman, especially during oral sex? Let's go back to the beginning and start from there. The truth is, women's bodies take longer to reach orgasm than men's do. If you've been subscribed to my channel, this will not be news to you. If it is news to you, awesome. I'm so glad that I could be sharing this with you, because it's vital that you know that for a man, he may be ready to go and finished by the time that she gets warmed up enough to have an orgasm. And gentlemen, women are aware of this. We know that it can take us a while to reach orgasm, and the majority of us are kind of sensitive about it. In fact, we're so sensitive about it that just knowing how long it takes us to reach orgasm is one of the reasons that we don't reach orgasm. It's kind of this backwards thing where we're so self-conscious about how long that it takes that we're so worried we can't actually relax and allow the orgasm to happen because we're so conscious of how long it is taking. This is especially true during oral sex. Think about it. There are already so many factors that are leading us to maybe be self-conscious about having your face in our groin. We're concerned about the smell. We're concerned that we didn't get waxed recently enough. We're concerned that we look funny or that our lips are too big or off color, etc. And we're especially worried about the way that your neck is cricking, about the way that you seem to be uncomfortable. Even if you're not actually uncomfortable, we're so used to being in service to you and worried about you that we can just perceive that you may be uncomfortable, and that makes us so uncomfortable that we want you to stop and just get the thing over with already. And that's not cool, because oral sex is the best way to get a woman ready for vaginal penetration. And even if you're not going to go for vaginal penetration, oral sex can be one of the most delightful, one of the most pleasurable things that a man can do to a woman. In fact, I remember the first time that I let a guy go down on me. I was in high school. It was my first ever boyfriend. I had been not wanting him to go down on me for weeks, maybe even months at that point, because I was so self-conscious that I might taste funny or smell weird. And the very moment that his tongue made contact, I remember thinking, that's better than birthday cake. It may sound a little crazy to you, but that was what my 16-year-old mind came up with. And it remains better than birthday cake. If I had to choose between oral sex and birthday cake, oral sex would always win, especially if the guy that is providing the oral sex has the knowledge that I'm about to impart to you, which is she can sense if you are in a hurry. Now, if you are treating oral sex as just the prelude to vaginal penetration and you're just trying to get it over with as quickly as possible, she's going to pick up on that, and she's going to want you to just get it over with, or maybe not do it to begin with, and then she's not going to be ready to be penetrated, and then she's not going to reach orgasm during sex, which is a situation that none of us want. So here's where the magical phrase comes in. When you're about to go down on your woman, number one, make sure that she's in a comfortable position, because she's going to be hanging out there for a while. Number two, make sure that you're in a comfortable position where you can hang out for a while, where your neck or your fingers, your arms is not going to get in pain, your stomach, your abs, your back. Set yourself up for success and communicate that to her non-verbally by getting comfortable, by saying to yourself, we're going to be doing this for a while, so just settle on in. That is going to translate to her. She'll feel that in your energy. And then third, this is where that magical phrase comes in, take your time. I'm going to be down here for a while. I want you to just relax. I'm not in any rush. If you can say that with your words and communicate that with your body and with your tone, the most magical thing will happen. She will be able to let go. All of the preconceived notions that she has, that it takes her too long to come, that she's smelly or hairy or whatever, are going to start to fade away, because you, my friend, have done the most masculine, most powerful, sexiest thing a man can do, which is take charge, set the tone, and give her complete permission to do what she needs to do in order to feel the maximum amount of pleasure that you are going to provide for her with your tongue and your lips and your fingers and your chin and your nose and whatever else is getting involved. And if you're not sure exactly how to give great oral sex, I highly recommend that you check out my She Comes to Female Orgasm Masterclass. There is an entire section devoted just to being amazing with your tongue at the old-fashioned cunnilingus. I also include my secret anatomical guide for triggering her 2 secret sex organs with your tongue that helps her to get wetter and looser and relaxed and more able to take you comfortably inside of her if you get to penetrative sex. It will feel better for both of you if you follow these instructions exactly. And I have included all of those. I almost just started singing Kanye. The moral of the story is that she wants you to be great at oral sex. She wants you to warm her up. She wants you to be patient, and she wants you to give her permission to feel as much pleasure as is humanly possible. And in order for her to reach orgasm, you're communicating that you're not in any rush, that you're enjoying yourself, that you're having fun down there, and you want her to take her time and allow herself to get to orgasm in the most relaxed, easygoing, and pleasurable way. Is exactly how you become the best lover ever. If you love this, please like and subscribe, ding the bell, and I will be back with you next week with more amazing advice so that you can have the best sex life ever.